المحطة القادمة هي المركز التجاري العالمي. The next station is World Trade Center. Doors closing. الأبواب تغلق.
Nandito kami ngayon sa
anniversary last night. Our third anniversary. Palakpakan naman po dyan. And I want to take this chance also to invite everyone po na
walang tao.
mag-register na po kayo sa Filipino Social Club. Marami po kayo mga benefits na makukuha dito.
Saka full
Una
day
sa lahat,
event
marami
siya.
kayo makakilala na pareho kayo ng passion.
So ngayon, inantay na lang namin
So,
yung magsasayaw ng
muli po,
kabataan.
maligayang araw ng kasarilan sa
Saka
inyong
may
lahat.
artista rin
Thank you.
dito mamaya.
Ronnie Alonte
Okay,
and
thank you, Miss
Loisa.
Loisa Andario.
Our
We will
last
see some excerpts,
encore,
clips of my hosting.
Correct.
but before that, we would like to talk.
JC and Jello. Make some noise, Dubai! I cannot hear you. Make some noise, Dubai! That's more like it. Hello mga kababayan at maligayang araw ng Kasarinlan, Pilipinas. And I am Jello and we are so happy to be hosting this beautiful segment for this beautiful day. And it is my honor to
12 lovely Filipinos from different walks of life will their beauty, elegance, and grace. And
we would like to invite the people from the back. Naka-uniform dyan, guys. Dito po tayo so we can have an intimate. Pwede po ba kaming mag-request na dalhin niyo yung mga tao rito sa Musical Director of Philippine Independence Day 2000, Libya, or by Bupa Healthcare, United Kingdom. One of the 100 and gifts from Just in Love, as all our 9 non-connect global education.
well, that is something new. I didn't know that.
What are we waiting for? Let's start the competition. We fun and creative category, showcasing their full and creative attires. Everyone please, with Mutya ng Cebu, Cristina Sabanal, palakpakan po. The Philippine flag with a spark, a sign of life, signed by Barong Niramon. Ladies and gentlemen, our 8th candidate, Irene Bustamante, the ruffled blue of shoulder, justice and red as a patriotic crystals display the sun and the stars which depict one can say that this gown features how palm leaves the Philippine national leaf and woven with a technique known as sawali, or something extraordinary out of ordinary thing. An indispensable summer tool for most Filipinos. Angelo Adan, Mutya ng Antipolo.
Mutya ng Malolos, Lynn Ventura.
Very carefully, the question is, any person in history, why would it be if you could talk to any person in history?
Of my father, so I want to let him know how much I love him and how much I.
Yes, every person is part of a history and your dad is one of them. Thank you, Julian.
Angeliza Ray Alintanahin, who is your role model And
Is my mother. My mother is the one who I exactly want to be like. She's truly a blessing and an inspiration for me and for others.
our superheroes, right?
We all love moms. Thank you very much, Mutya ng Laguna. The question is, if you could have one wish, what would you wish for?
Being a crown is only a once-in-a-lifetime experience.
Who does not want the Mutya ng Kalayaan 2022 crown, right?
Thank you, man. Ako rin biglang kinabahan eh.
Rosalinda Mi Amore, Mutya ng Mexico, Pampanga. And who is the person you look up to the most and why?
I was born ready all the time, but yeah. Anytime, anywhere. She's always do a brilliant things. So I want to, you don't need to be someone else because you have your unique abilities and you have special abilities. My mother.
And of course, you are actually showing us your other version of yourself tonight. Thank you, candidate to number.
Let's move on to our sixth candidate. Yes, thank you very much. You're so tall. All right, goodness, how did you prepare for this pageant?
Prepare myself by gaining my confidence first, and also I will apply my advocacy as a Mutya ng Kalayaan.
Thank you very much, Margie.
Princess Soriano, please speak your question. All right, what advice will you give to your fellow OFWs who are financially struggling?
Kalayaan, I am proudly representing our fellow Filipino community here, and what I can advise to them is to never give up no matter what. Always look for the positive side in everything that you do and eliminate negativity that surrounds you. Thank you.
Candidate number 7, Princess Soriano Mutya ng Valenzuela. I think that piece of advice.
Number 8, Mutya ng Davao City. If a foreigner ask you which place in the Philippines should she or he visit first, which place are you going to recommend and why?
Of course, my place, Davao. I love my place. There's a lot of islands.
Meet candidate number 9, Mutya ng Davao, Surigao del Norte, Darlinda Ramirez. And now your question is, worker, how can you help celebrate Philippine Independence Day as an OFW?
To help to celebrate the Independence Day today is to promote my advocacy, which is
I love the word, inclusion.
Villasis. Okay. And this is you could visit to any place in the world. Where would you want to go and why? Once again, your question is,
Because Paris is love, and I want to feel the love. Thank you, that's all.
indeed, love is in the air.
Does Philippine independence actually mean to you?
Philippine Independence Day for me, I am a single woman who fight for my freedom and rights.
Patriotism there. Spot on, man.
Mutiana Antipolo, Angelo Adan. And the last question. Come on, guys. Guys, before answer, how about the big round naman of applause to our lovely candidates? They're showing beauty and grace under pressure, no?